It's so important to start from somewhere, right? And quite often, the clients I work with are led by risk. Like they prioritize in terms of risk. What things would they be very embarrassed about if there was a data leak or an incident and it got out there, like things like sensitive data or transfers of data outside of the company to third parties, making sure that that is protected by having the correct contractual obligations in place. So in terms of, yeah, starting from somewhere and prioritizing, like the clients that I work with, it's something that they build on year. So, for the first year, maybe it's just something that they're building out, saying what their systems are, how the transfers and data flows are working. And then as I work with them year on year, it's something that they build governance into. So you're having key stakeholders in all levels of the organization involved in understanding where the data is going and building in the privacy by design piece as well. And yeah, companies as well that work with financial data, you do see them being very robust with the tools that they're using and just being very comprehensive in making sure that that data is kind of tracked and protected wherever it is in the organization, especially when it leaves the organization.
Yeah, and definitely a great point. And I think this shows like, oh, data inventory involves a lot of information. Start small also means you don't have to get all this information into your data inventory at the get-go. You can build it out over time. Just start with kind of the minimum to get you going. And then as you start to build out your process, your approach, the other information will come over time.